We are standing at one of the airport's wetland mitigation sites. It's located about 10 miles from SCA.
There's so many residential developments right around it on almost all sides. I think it is pretty special to have this green space that's really close by, providing so much habitat and is not subject to any of the same restrictions around wildlife as we would see closer to the airport.
It helps reduce flooding and it supports critical habitat for endangered salmon. I do feel proud of the work that we've done for not only this site, but all the sites. We've achieved all the final performance standards and now is moving into long-term stewardship under SCA's land stewardship plan.
It'll continue to change over the next 15, 30, 100 years. And so we're continuing to do periodic site walks, come back and monitor the vegetation and see how it's changing, especially as the climate warms and dries. And we work with different groups, port maintenance groups, as well as Washington Conservation Corps, to maintain some of these sites and making sure that the native species here have what they need to thrive.
We're very proud of that, and the amount of resources and effort that we've put into maintaining this well-designed site after it was built is really what ensured its ultimate success. We're really excited to support local communities and sustainability moving into the future.